Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the wallpaper engine freezing. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll just open here our browser. So in our browser, I can directly search for the here at the Google at how to fix the wallpaper engine freezing. Okay. So basically to select that, like to fix that, you have to update your graphic drivers and your PC also. So if your PC running in like lower Windows, you have to update them, and you have to be the software like be in up to date in the softwares. So because of that, you can face errors like freezing also. So here the basic solution is to update your driver, and the second solution is to disabling the antivirus, and the third is your run of the uh, your SFC tool. And you can see at the fourth, reinstall the your uh, Razor Syncopus, or you can just or reinstall the app, or you can just use your repair tools also. So this is how we can just fix the wallpaper engine freezing. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.